Hey, Dave D. Williamson here. We call an emergency meeting here right in the middle of the day. You know why? Because we do drive-bys on our coaches. We educate them. That's why they're so damn effective. But anyway, Free Dave here, founder of Social Pro Revolution. We're going to jump over here to our live screen, and we're going to show you a few tips here, okay? So here we are at Google+. We're going to come over to our homepage and let that load. Google runs slower once in a while. We're going to come right down here to communities and take a look, friends, on this page. It's going to tell you the community invitations, and it's also going to show you the communities you've joined. Okay. Now, here's an example. I belong to Social Media Cafe. So 3,668 members. There are 99 plus posts in here. So that tells me this group, it's got enough members. I want to remain a member of this community, but also it's got 99 plus posts in it. So the activity is pretty good here. So I want to keep that. Now, let me show you some of them you need to clean out here under this topic, communities you've joined. Okay. Organic Gold Gourmet Coffee. Okay. 17 members, 3 comments. Now, if you look at the number 17 members and you look at 3 comments, that's pretty good. They're building their business, but there's only 17 members. So what I want to do is leave this group. So I'm going to come in here to the group. And incidentally, when you join groups, turn your notifications off so you don't get bombarded with emails. I'm going to click Leave Community. All I did was click on the gearbox here. And I'm going to let it load. And here we are back at the page, okay? I just wanted to do this quick training, okay, just to share a little value with you and show you how strong Social Pro is. We give away more free valuable training online in our social networks than most leaders give away, and they're paid training. So why are you spending money, okay? Why don't you come get a free coach and let us show you what we know, okay? Now, let me show you a little bit more. And again, this is a live call. You can see all my coaches right here. You can see them, every one of them, okay? So the proof's in the pudding. We're all working together, and our business is working online 24 hours a day. You will see it. You will know it by talking to it. So back down here to communities you joined, okay? Now, what we want to do actually is now, once you get your list cleaned up and you get rid of these communities you don't want to be in, like this one here, 10 members, okay? There's no post. You want to leave that community, okay? So once you get that cleaned up, so then now, let's see what comes up. We all learn this together as we go. Okay, communities right here. Okay, so just type groups in here. And then come right here. This is a quick way. I'm sure there's other ways to do it, but this will get you there. Okay, click communities. Now you can come down here or up here and you can type in what you're looking for. Social media. Right, Dave?
Yeah, that's what you put in before, social media.
Yeah, social media. So, okay, here we are. Okay, so we got 57,247 members here. 21,000 posts. I want to join that. Okay? So there's a good one. Look at all these posts. Social media strategy. Join. Okay? Now, you can also, friends that are watching this video, you can type in MLM up here too and post. But a lot of your MLM groups are going to be spam central. Okay? Social media is more recognized for building value. As a matter of fact, we teach you how to get free lead signups and sales using social media, okay? So what we're talking about doing here is joining these groups, okay? Now just say, now once you cleaned up your old groups, you know, all the groups that you joined, you didn't know what you were doing, you get them out of there. Then you join the right group so you can target the right audience. But you have to make sure you got plenty of activity in these groups. So 39,000 here, 11,000 posts. That's pretty darn good. Okay, look at this, 36,000 members, 27,000 votes. That's pretty good, ain't it, Dave?
So do we actually post our snippets or our long copies in every single one of these groups?
Well, here's the thing. Okay, so now if I come back over here and click on Google Plus.
How do we get into these groups? How do we get those list of groups? I couldn't find it.
We just showed you, but I'll show you after the call.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so we come in here. And you'll be able to watch this video, too, because we're doing this for the public, free of charge, out of the goodness of our heart, because we're Social Pro. We help people, okay? So I'm going to come over here. Let's see here. Click Profile. Now, I have a post already in my memory here. And what I'm going to do is paste this post in here, okay? I got a post here. For anybody watching this video, see this post? Okay. I'm going to add my video, and I'm going to show you how to post to these groups. So we add our video, and when you post in Google+, use your YouTube, because YouTube is connected to Google+, and you want to network all this. So I'm going to connect the video to it, to my post here. Okay, and then down here, I'm going to look for the group I just joined. Look, social media marketing. I'm going to click on that. Okay, now watch what happens. I'm going to click here, and I'm going to select Facebook. Some of these groups have different topics, okay? But I'm going to choose Facebook because I'll clue you in on some good education here, friends. People in Google Plus want to learn about Facebook. People on Facebook want to learn about Twitter or Google Plus. People on LinkedIn always wonder what Facebook's like because they know LinkedIn. Okay, does that make sense? So if you can cross-train people, that's where you're going to get your effectiveness here. So I'm going to go ahead and share that. That is now shared. I will go back to my profile, make sure I don't have duplicate posts, which I probably do because I'm doing this training. And here we are. So what I'm going to do, this is the same one. So I'm going to delete this post. You don't want duplicate posts on your personal profile. And friends, this is just one training out of millions of strategies we use to get free leads, sign up sales for life for any product, service, or business opportunity you're involved in. Oh, here's another duplicate. Get rid of that one. You don't want that. So, if you're watching this video, no matter where you're watching it, follow the instructions and get yourself a coach. We have simple instructions below. We get you results in 1 to 3 days, usually in 1 day. It is 100% free coaching, one-on-one video training worth $1,000, no strings attached, no catches. I know what you're thinking. I am going to end this video. I will see you soon. Toodaloo.